recording?
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. We are going to be eating toxic waste sour candy. And we spent like 2 years trying to find this, and we went to Army Surplus and they had it. So they have four flavors. Watermelon. We have watermelon. We have black cherry. Let's see. Black cherry, blueberry, and toxic waste. I'm gonna read you, lemon. And this one, just in case it went too fast, this is what they look like. Each one is a different color and is a different flavor. And this is watermelon, this is black cherry, this is blueberry, and this is lemon. So, but Bobby, choose a flavor.
Okay, I'm gonna go first, huh? I see.
You want a blue?
Oh,
I can get you blue.
it's alright. I got
There's other blues in here.
No, it's okay.
Blueberry?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
I got this one.
3. So let's get them open.
And to all Owen's friends who are watching, he will be bringing this toxic waste for you all to try.
At the bus stop.
So, let's see.
You got it open, bud?
Just about.
This is what it looks like.
This is probably gonna make us sick.
You ready?
This is what they look like. 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Yummy.
Well, does it live up to its reputation?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy, yummy.
What do you think, Owen?
Mm-hmm.
Have you had anything sour than that?
Now he's done.
Bobby, you've done lots of these sour challenges. Is this the worst?
No, I think I just picked the right one.
Is this the worst, Owen?
Nope.
What was the worst?
Extreme warheads. Ugh, my throat.
Put it in the napkin.
You done? Did you give up?
Nope. The sour burned my throat.
So, I would say 10 out of 10. I'd do it again.
And for grossness, I'd say 2. 2 out of 10.
1 out of 1.
Did toxic waste live up to its reputation, guys?
Yes.
No?
No.
Yeah. Was it worth the, 2 years it took to find it?
Yep.
No.
Was it worth the $2.50?
No.
Yeah. It was worth it.
Bye, guys.
See you in the next video.